accounting and tax point of views, well, let's go back even a step further. What is a business and when are you in business? And basically, when you have entered into a venture to make money and be sustained, some people look at it, hobby versus business. And for example, a photographer that may sell a couple pieces of photography from a vacation or something, are they in a business? That's really kind of a question. There's a whole litany of things that the IRS requires business to be in business and to prove that they are a legitimate business and not just a business in name only. And it might be a part-time job, like you have a regular employment thing and then that you're going for 40 hours a week and then you're fixing cars or fixing fishing poles or making those types of things, which maybe could be considered a hobby, but they kind of flip over. And if you're just kind of making sustained profits, great. To be in business, you really need to have kind of a business plan, and you should have a checking account. Are you operational? Are you getting information, acquiring information to better yourself, to make it worthwhile? Are you covering what's your marketing plan and what's your product and how are you doing that? Are you separating your business from your personal? I got one checking account. I don't care. But if you're ever under question, it muddies the waters so much as to what is a business expense versus personal. So it's really critical that there's a separate business account or banking account for that business. And then keeping receipt and understanding what is business versus personal. For example, let's say you're working out of your house. Do you have a room that is separate, that is an area that is business only? It's not the spare bedroom and I clean off the desk, whenever I want to work there, or kitchen table or things like that. Those are areas that becomes very muddy. You buy paper towels because you need paper towels for your business to do cleanup or something, but then you also use them personally. It's trying to make sure you got receipts and separations of personal to business. So that's pretty critical. So especially with COVID, there's been a lot of increases in independent contractors. So sole proprietorship is just you. It is an individual doing business to make money. Short answer. Partnerships is obviously what it sounds like. You and another person are getting together to do a business. Technically, it can be a spit and a handshake and you're in business. We usually like to make these things a little more formal, but it's the same thing of just like, are you in business? Do you have all the documentation? Are you separating this from your personal? Are you doing all of those types of things? With a partnership, though, with the IRS, you really do have to have an employer identification number in essence, because it's going to have a separate income tax filing for that return for a regular partnership. Limited liability companies, LLCs, to me, they are the cheapest form of insurance that you can have. It does give you a little bit of separation, that corporate veil that people have talked about a lot between you, the individual, and the business, and it kind of gives a little more validity. State of Colorado, it's like $50 to get organized, and then $10 a year to just kind of keep your organizational structure with the state.